Welcome to Step-by-Step Guide to Installing Parrot OS, your ultimate installation manual. Parrot OS is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed for cybersecurity, penetration testing, ethical hacking, and digital forensics. First, download .ova file from Parrot OS. I have already downloaded it. Then download VirtualBox for Windows from Oracle and complete the installation. I have already downloaded it. Open VirtualBox, then click File and Import Appliance. Now select the downloaded .ova file. Click on Next, Next, and Agree. Parrot OS will be imported. Select Parrot Security and click on Start. Parrot OS is known for its focus on security, anonymity, and open-source software, making it an excellent platform for various security-related tasks and educational purposes.
Don't forget to subscribe.
The default root password is Parrot. Thanks for watching.